All right, so this is industrial motor controls. If you're familiar with the Amatrol multimedia side, so I just wanted to show you the simulator side. So we've got a graphic where we're wiring this transformer, and obviously this is the primary side with the three phase, two of the phases of the three phase coming in, and the secondary side we're going to wire a switch and a lamp. So the nice thing about this is it's very similar, not quite as graphically beautiful as the real thing, but we can come here and we've got fuses up here and transformer and push button station and indicator lamps and meters and all where we can measure things. I'm gonna come down here and choose add leads and click from L1 to the fuse, and you have to really click on this thing dead on L2 to fuse, come out top fuse to 2 hopefully, and bottom fuse to 3. And then we'll come out of, we'll look at the graphic just to make absolutely sure. So 2 is X1, 5 is X2 or our neutral or our ground. And so we'll come out of here into our normally open push button. Out of our normally open push button, I think it was the yellow lamp. And out of there back to our ground. I'm going to double check that graphic just to be sure. Yes, it was the yellow lamp. And at this point, we should be able to remove power, and we should be able to press our button and see our lamp light. And the nice thing is we can make these same measurements just as we were at the trainer. So I'm going to go to volts AC. I'm going to go to 600 range, pop in my black lead, my red, go from L1 to L2. I'll read 208. So we can make the same measurements on the secondary side here. Be very precise. There we go. So everything you have to do on the real trainer can be done from here. It's just a matter of hooking up the wires. And again, this gets down to the individual of how well they feel this kind of translates to um, their knowledge. There's the other trainer I know you remember seeing. And there's much more advanced skills in here too. Let me go just to another one. We won't go through the whole thing, but you have the idea here. But let me get out of here and get out of skill 3. So actually, here. So we'll go to reversing motor control and let you see one of the skills there, and all of it can be done um, on the simulator as well. And it's got some troubleshooting stuff in it as well as I've got a troubleshooting thing you'll go through at the end of motor control too. So let's just pick, let's troubleshoot. There we go. This one. Go forward. Tells you all about what you're going to be using. And there's the simulator once again. So again, and once you wire all this up, you'll see the conveyor run and things like that. So again, it depends on the person how well this stuff translates to reality, but it works and functions. Everything I've looked at exactly like the trainer and exactly like the real world. As far as DC, that's another one that has it. Of course, it's a much simpler one because it's teaching just the basics of DC. So I'll go to we'll go to electrical measurements and you'll see some of the same. And what we have you guys do, just as proof that you're doing these labs, is submit us a picture of the lab. Yeah, there's good. So here you're going to hook up 3 resistors in series, I think it is, if I remember. But next. Yep, 3 resistors in series down here, and you can enlarge that graphic so you can see it. So a 10, a 25, and a 25. So I'm going to add components, power supply DC, add component, resistor 10, add components, resistor 25, add components, resistor 25. Then we'll add in a meter, fix metering, slide that over a little bit, and add our leads. Like a positive over to this guy, jumper this one to that one, this one to that one, and then just because it's DC and I like using a black lead back to negative, turn on my supply, crank it up to 24 volts, set my meter to read 200 scale, black lead to here, red lead to there. And we can measure across each resistor, and of course the sum of those drops should equal 24, so this guy is going to have its own drop, 4.0. This guy is going to have its own drop. Get it moved over, that is. 10.0, and then last but not least, this guy will have its own drop, 10.0. So 10 plus 10 plus 4 equals 24, and that's how on-call works, and that's DC. And that's some of the things it'll be teaching as part of this. Just wanted you to see these in a video. I like it. It works equally as well as the trainer. So I think this stuff works equally as well as the trainer, but it's again up to the individual as to how well it translates from a simulator to the real world. But anyway, there's a quick view of both the simulators and both those